Welcome to DRTSPR show. This is Dr. Tangella Shiva Prasad Reddy alias Dr. TSPR. Namaste, Adab, and hello, and a warm welcome to Partyless India.
Namaskar.
Partyless India is
Namaste.
on wheels in southern India. They have been going around, crisscrossing southern India. They were here in Pala yesterday. They have met even the Sion, grandson of the Kerala, erstwhile Kerala rulers. Now they are on the way to zero India. That means the zero from where India really starts, from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. When they were to go to zero, now a Supreme Court judgment postponing an important aspect in regards to when we say democracy. Is it democracy or partycracy? It has become a big zero. Why? Because Supreme Court again postpones such a vital trial in regards to the Election Commission of India and the Union government, stating that both of them stating that they are not in a position to give the footage and vital information to the public. They are saying that is the connotation which I've got. I will try to show what is that public, what is that nonsense. That is why immediately I remembered partyless. Their theory, now it is becoming more and more prominent. बिना दल के चुनाव, और वही है हमारी संविधान. जब अशोक पटेल भाई, डॉक्टर सचिन पेटकर और हमारे साउथ इंडिया के मनी जी धर्मपुरी से, ये लोग जो है पूरी दक्षिण भारत को दल बिना चुनाव या दल बिना चुनाव और हम जो कहते हैं लोकतंत्र क्या है वो समझाने जा रहे थे. केरल से वो लोग अब जीरो कन्याकुमारी पे पहुंचने ही वाले थे. आज उच्चतम न्यायालय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जिस तरह फिर 2 हफ्ते के लिए इन्होंने एक ऐसी मुद्दा है जो हमारी लोकतंत्र देश के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है और संविधान के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है, उसको जब केंद्र सरकार और हमारी चुनाव आयोग दोनों मिलके चुनाव जो प्रक्रिया होती है उसकी मूल समाचार, वो सीसीटीवी हो या अदर मूल समाचार जो है वो प्रजा को देना ही नहीं चाहती है, ऐसे मुद्दे को 2 हफ्ते के लिए फिर ये करना मुझे सही नहीं दिखा. क्योंकि हम खुद संविधान हैं. जब संविधान हम हैं, कोर्ट हो, न्याय व्यवस्था हो या सरकार, केंद्र सरकार हो या राज्य सरकार हो, और जो चुनाव प्रक्रिया जो करती है ब्यूरोक्रेसी, अधिकारी गण, ये सब जो है संविधान के नीचे है या ऊपर है. हम इसी के ऊपर कल चर्चा की थी. आज देखिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट बहाल कर दिया कि संविधान जो लोग है, लोग मानती है, लोग वोटर नहीं, लोग कहती है, और संविधान नहीं, लोग कहती है सुप्रीम कोर्ट. लोगों को जानकारी देने के लिए भी ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फिर 2 हफ्ते के लिए उसको नकार दिया. तो संविधान कौन है? क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट है या यूनियन सरकार है, केंद्र सरकार है, या चुनाव आयोग? Now, who is supreme here? Is the constitution? Constitution means we have submitted constitution to ourselves. Every Indian citizen is a constitution. Then how the hell Indian citizen constitution is being ignored when it is a vital matter of providing CCTV footage of the electioneering along with some information to the constitution, to the, they say, people, public, fine, voters, is being delayed. The trial is being delayed by another 2 weeks. Then I remembered them. They were talking yesterday at my house in Pala, Kerala. Partyless India means power to the people. People means constitution. That is Bharat. How Supreme Court, Union Government and Election Commission of India are playing with the Constitution of India, that is the story. Sarji, I'll take first forward from you and I'll start showing that on the screen also. How do you look at this scenario? Yesterday itself we have discussed, Sachin ji और पटेल जी तो बहुत कुछ बता रहे थे and आज सबूत दिख गया. Please sir.
जी. Thank you very much. So, first of all, First of all, I want to introduce we. First of all, I will like to introduce we. What is this we? We, the people of India. So here, Partyless India represents the people of India. We are on behalf of people of India. हम भारत के लोगों के बिहाफ में मानते हैं अपने आप को, अपने इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हम मानते हैं कि हम भारत के लोगों के बिहाफ में हैं। तो यहाँ जो बात हो रही है उसके अंदर एक तरफ एक बात तो हो रही है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने 2 हफ्ते का समय दिया है यूनियन गवर्नमेंट को और इलेक्शन कमीशन को ये बताने के लिए कि भाई क्यों, क्या कहना है उनका इस बारे में कि ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जो फुटेज या कुछ और जो भी हैं, अगर भारत के लोग इस इंफॉर्मेशन को चाहते हैं तो उनको नहीं देना चाहिए, ऐसा एक इनका प्रेजेंटेशन एक कहना है। तो इस बारे में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा ये कहना है कि वी आर द मेन स्टेक होल्डर्स, वी आर द मेन स्टेक होल्डर्स, we the people of India, we are the main stakeholders, not only the stakeholders in this case, but above all, I will ask the question, who the Supreme Court is? कौन है सुप्रीम कोर्ट? क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट हमसे ऊपर है क्या? We the people of India, तो क्या वो हमसे ऊपर है? And who the election commission is? क्या ये इलेक्शन कमीशन हमसे ऊपर है? And the union government, who this union government is? क्या ये सरकार भी हमसे ऊपर है? We the people of India, we are 145 crores, including the legislature, the executive, and the whole judiciary. We are 145 crores. My question is that, who are all this? Who is this legislature? Who is this executive? And who is this judiciary? And who, even the president, who even the president is? And what is the constitution? So I would like to get your permission, and with your permission, I will say our friend Sachin to put one slide on the screen, maybe.
Yeah, I'm making you as a co-host so that you can share the screen. Before that, I'll just read this. You have put, who are they? We the people, the constitution are above, as Sachin and you were referring yesterday that you have, I will just read this. Supreme Court gives time to Union and ECI for response on challenge to conduct of election rules. What is this nonsense? The Supreme Court today, April 17th, granted 2-week extension to the Union and the Election Commission of India for filing its response to the challenge to the recent amendment to the Conduct of Election Rules 1961, which restricts public access to polling footage and records. What is this not? Public, see, they are using public, not constitution or voters. Who is this public? That is what a valid point which you have already raised. So this is the story. It is really shaming India. No one speaks. I was waiting after you left Kerala. I was still waiting, at least for someone, legal luminaries or the constitutional experts to respond, but no one bothers to. Sachinji and Patelji and Maniji. I feel sorry. It's a sorry state of affairs here. So now I'm going to make you, it will be a multiple sharing so that you can share this slide.
So, okay.
Yeah,
we
share.
share here.
You can share, sir.
We share here a slide. Here is,
you can share.
Here is the slide.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please
Wonderful.
Look at the slide.
Wonderful.
Look at the slide. And here it is very much clear, very, very much clear that we, the people of India, are at the top. We have made the constitution. Constitution is under us.
Yeah.
So, and under that constitution, the head of all the administration, head of the executive, head of the legislature, and head of the judiciary. All these three systems, the head is president. President is the head. At all three levels of our administration, that is central level, state level, and local level. It means all the systems which governs our country, president is the head, and above president there is constitution, and above constitution there is we the people of India.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Here, once again, if we speak of Article 324 of the Constitution, as per that article, Election Commission has been formed, Chief Election Commissioner has been nominated by President. So President has nominated Chief Election Commissioner. And he is bound to, he or she, whatever may be, is bound to conduct free, fair and transparent elections. We all very well know, हम सभी ये बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि संविधान के द्वारा जो काम हमने उनको दिया है, उस इलेक्शन कमीशन को, जो कि एक ऑटोनोमस बॉडी है, एक स्वायत्त बॉडी है, हम सभी ये अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि आज वो स्वायत्त बॉडी जो है वो अपना काम बिल्कुल बेईमानी से कर रही है, विथ कंप्लीट नॉलेज। ये नहीं कि वे कोई बच्चे हैं, वे कोई किड्स नहीं है, दे आर नॉट किड्स, they are very well are knowing what they are doing. उन्हें मालूम है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, उन्हें हमारा खौफ नहीं है, उन्हें हमारा डर नहीं है। लेकिन हमने भी अपना रास्ता पा लिया है। वैसे तो देखिए, वी आर द मास्टर्स, सो एवरी टाइम पावर लाइज विथ अस ओनली। शक्ति सिर्फ हमारे पास है और हमसे ही वो शक्ति चुने हुए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को मिलती है। तो यहां हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि whatever is going on in the country, whatever may say Supreme Court and whatever may say Union of India, Government of India, and whatever चाहे जो कुछ भी कहें इलेक्शन कमीशन या चीफ इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया, हमने अब उनके साथ हमें क्या करना है ये हमने सोच लिया है। वे सजा के पात्र हैं, पनिशमेंट के पात्र हैं, एंड वी विल पनिश इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया। इलेक्शन कमीशन इज द ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंटिटी अंडर आर्टिकल 324। He is responsible, Election Commission is responsible to conduct free, fair and transparent elections. If they are not going to do that, instead they are putting this type of hurdles in the way of transparent, free, fair and transparent elections. तो अब हमने उनका उपाय सोच लिया है, उन्हें पनिश करना है। वी विल पनिश देम। विच वे? विच वे? हमने ये पनिशमेंट का तरीका सोचा है कि दे विल गेट देयर सैलरी ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डेट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी मंथ। उनको हर महीने की पहली तारीख को उनकी सैलरी जो है वो दे दी जाएगी। सैलरी तो निश्चित वे पाएंगे, लेकिन सैलरी पाने के बाद सैलरी पा लेने के बाद भी उनके लिए सजा ये होगी कि उन्हें सिर्फ बैठ करके देखना है। दे डोंट हैव टू परफॉर्म देयर ड्यूटी। दे डोंट हैव टू परफॉर्म देयर ड्यूटी। दे विल जस्ट सिट डाउन एंड जस्ट सी, and we, the Partyless India, we will play the role of election commission. We will conduct free, fair and transparent elections. We, the organization of, we the people of India. That's it. That's what I have to say. Okay.
Yeah, Sachinji, Dr. Sachinji, yesterday itself we have discussed. And today, now it is out in the open. How can Supreme Court postpone it for 2 weeks? Such an important matter concerning the elections. Through elections, we say we are a representative democracy. And is it not joking? Has it not become a joke now, Supreme Court? And that too, they have amended 1961 Election Commission ka jo bhi hai, to provide information for transparency, as he rightly mentioned, Ashok ji, free and fair and a transparent election. And how is that they don't want to give footage, access and other information? That means elections will be no more free and fair. Are they going to be rigged? If it is rigged, then where is the constitution and where is the democracy? Yes, Sachinji.
Okay, I'll just try to focus your attention towards these three systems on the left side at the bottom.
Yeah.
One is legislature, the other is the administration, and the third one is judiciary.
Yeah.
With respect to the news you just shared at the starting point, you can see the legislature is the people or is the entity who amended the Election Conduct Act.
Yeah. Wonderful.
And on the recommendation of this administration, which is Election Commission of India.
Yeah.
And now this Supreme Court, which is judiciary, is playing a drama that it will think over it. All these three entities are playing with the people.
Yeah.
They are playing with the people. And why are they playing with the people? Because they are not part of the people.
Yeah.
Because this legislature, all the MPs and MLAs are not true representatives of the people. They are the representatives of the political party, which has no definition in our constitution, which has no existence in our constitution. And moreover, that the political parties are anti-constitutional entities. They are killing democracy. When these MLAs and MPs together come and elect a president, that's political parties, when they elect a president, the president doesn't remain a representative of the people of India. That president becomes representative of the largest, most powerful political party. And when this president appoints the Supreme Court's Chief Justice of our judiciary, when this party president appoints the Chief Election Commission, all these people are not representing the people of India. They are representing the political parties in this country which have no stand as per constitution. We haven't yet, in these 75-80 years, we haven't yet tasted the real democracy as per constitution. And these parties are taking every care that the people of India will never know this. They want to maintain this status quo. They want to rule, exploit the people of India. And we have to, and they will not change it. Not the government, not the president, nor these systems. They will just make a show that we are how much they care. So that is one point I wanted to make. The second point I wanted to make with pertaining to this news. So that sounds like, are these legislature and the administration and the judiciary trying to suggest the people of India that if they disclose the details of the electronic data specifically, which is related to the election, to the people of India, the voters won't be, the voters' protection will be at stake. That is the reason they are voting. So what is that protected thing of a voter? Of course, that is the only one thing that is that has to be protected is whom I am voting for. That shouldn't be made public. It is a confidential thing. Now, that has to be protected. If that is the same, what Election Commission and Union Ministry is telling us, that means by the EVMs, you are recording it, you have the record that who has voted for whom. You have it. You have it. There is no
secrecy.
There is no secrecy. You already have it.
Yeah.
चोर के हाथ में सब कुछ आ गया है और वो दिखाएंगे नहीं हम.
जानकारी नहीं देना चाहते हैं.
Aren't you suggesting this thing?
है. समाचार सब कुछ है लेकिन दिखाई लोग के लिए
हम दिखाए. Yes.
Yeah.
The political parties, every political party know this, but they keep mum till they wait for their chance to rule. Because they know if they says, even if they are so-called opposition, but after they come into power, there is a problem. There will be a problem. So everyone keeps this confidentiality. That honesty they have. That
honesty they have not to give CCTV,
not to educate people, not to enlighten the people
who have voted them.
So this after the independence, the British went. All the princely states gave up their kingdoms to the country, people of the country, but the people of the country didn't get the power. In between, this political party hijacked it. So there is a deception for last 75 years, and now people are awakening, understanding what the entire game is, and they are realizing the actual power lies with their vote. If that was not, the political parties wouldn't have spared thousands of crores of monies. They know that money doesn't have the power without a vote. And we throw away our votes, very, very much inexpensive votes. We have to utilize very carefully. And that education we are trying to spread all over India to all the co-citizens of this country. That is our mission. Thank you.
At least now Supreme Court has helped your mission to further it.
Yes. Each and every act is going to educate more and more, educate the people only.
More and more anti-democratic acts of any, whether it is judiciary, whether it is executive or administration, is going to go the partyless India way. That's what you try to say. Fine. Now what I suggest is, now I will have Mani ji in 2 minutes in Tamil And then I want Gujarati and Marathi also to be spoken to on Supreme Court judgment, how Milli Bhagavat is happening because of Supreme Court's postponement on such a vital issue, wherein Union government is amending the recommendation of Election Commission of India that no information, CCTV footage and electronic data information will not be provided to the public voters. What is this nonsense? Then how can the election be free and fair? How can we have a constitutional democracy surviving? Yes, gentlemen, all three of you in your native languages, 2 minutes. Starting with Mr. Mani.
Yes. At first, I thank for you for your interest, and you will be a role model for this organization, not for organization, for the relevant people, those who are still serving for their rights. நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி நம்முடைய சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட் ஆகட்டும் அல்லது அரசாங்கத்தினுடைய அத்தனை செக்டர் ஆகட்டும், IAS officer, IPS officer, everyone, we are working for the politicians only. The politicians are not working for the government. I am telling the majority politicians.
Yeah.
Oh, each IAS officer working for them. If the politician is perfect, definitely it will give a good revelation. But no, everyone know the politicians are working for just for people and much for their own. Yeah. So how can their rights, our wealth and our rights, everything goes to the politicians?
You can come out of this page so that we can have now. You can come out of this this thing. We have just exclusively 9 minutes.
Yes, I would like to say that.
Yeah. Now in
Because
Tamil. Or we will go for native languages. Tamil, Marathi, and Gujarati, and then I will end up in English and Telugu. We have 9 minutes precisely, please.
Okay. So,
Supreme Court order. How will you take?
உச்சநீதிமன்றம் அதனுடைய உத்தரவுகளை கான்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் படி அவங்க செஞ்சுட்டு வந்தாங்கன்னா நிச்சயமா இந்த மக்களுக்கு எல்லாமே கிடைக்கும். பட் இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா அதனுடைய தீர்ப்புகளும் அதனுடைய நடவடிக்கைகளும், ஈவன் நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி இந்த எலெக்ஷன் கமிஷன் இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் ஃபுட்டேஜ் கொடுக்க முடியாது, உண்டான ரெக்கார்ட்ஸ் நாங்க ரெலவெண்ட் ரெக்கார்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்க முடியாதுன்னு சொல்றது ஜனநாயகத்துக்கு விரோதமானதுன்றது அனைத்து மக்களும் உணர்ந்தாங்கன்னா நிச்சயமா இந்த அனைத்து அமைப்புகளும் மக்களுக்காக போராடும். அந்த போராட்டத்தினுடைய அடிப்படையை நம்ம இந்த பார்ட்லெஸ் இந்தியா மூலமா தீவிரமா நம்ம எடுத்து செல்வோம்ன்றத இந்த நேரத்துல உங்களுக்கு தெரிவிச்சுக்க விரும்புறேன். வாய்ப்புக்கு நன்றி.
Wonderful. Sir, Marathi.
मी एवढंच सांगेन की हे आजचं उदाहरण बघितलं आपण, तुम्हाला रोज नवीन नवीन उदाहरणं दिसतील आणि प्रत्येक उदाहरण आपल्या प्रत्येक आयुष्यातल्या प्रत्येक अडचणीचं कारण शेवटी मुळ कुठे असेल आपल्याला दिसेल तर ते आहे पक्षाचं, म्हणजे राजकीय पक्ष आणि त्याच्यामुळे होणारे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स. इथेच मूळ आहे. आपल्याला शिक्षण मिळत नाहीये, आपल्याला आपलं आरोग्य नीट मिळत नाहीये, आपल्याकडे व्यवस्था नाहीये, सगळीकडे खाबुगिरी होतीये, वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी होत आहेत, दंगे होत आहेत, आपापसात फूट पाडली जाते. हे कशामुळे? तर फूट पाडणारी जी यंत्रणा आहे, फूट म्हणजे काय? तोडातोडी, पार्टिशन मधूनच पार्टी हा शब्द निघालाय. या पार्टी तंत्राचा विषय हा संविधानात नाही. आम्ही हेच सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय. वेगळ्या पद्धतीने आम्ही सांगू. तुम्ही बघा, नीट बघा, आपल्या आयुष्यात आपली गडबड झालेलीच आहे. हेच पुढच्या पिढीने आपण वाढून देऊन जाणार आहोत का? हाच विचार फक्त केला पाहिजे. हा भारताच्या नागरिकांनी तर केलाच पाहिजे, परंतु जे पार्टीमध्ये कार्यकर्ते काम करतायत त्यांनी सुद्धा केलं पाहिजे की आपण नक्की कशासाठी काय करतोय. असं नाहीये की पार्टी वेगळ्या राजकीय पक्षांमध्ये जे कार्यकर्ते आहेत ते वाईट आहेत. ते काहीतरी छान काहीतरी करूयात, मस्त काहीतरी आपल्या आयुष्यात काहीतरी चांगलं काहीतरी सामाजिक कार्य करूया या विचारानेच कुठल्या ना कुठल्या पार्टीला जोडले गेले. परंतु तिथे गेल्यानंतर त्यांना लक्षात येत आहे सगळी गडबड आहे, पण त्यांना दुसरा पर्याय पण सापडत नाहीये. काय करावं हे कळत नाही. तर हाच तो पर्याय होता, हाच आहे आणि हाच असणार आहे. आपण याला मोठ्या संख्येने या आंदोलनात, या मुवमेंटला आपण आपलं योगदान द्या आणि एक दिवस लवकरच येईल ज्यावेळी आपण भारत पक्षमुक्त करू, एवढंच मी सांगेन. धन्यवाद.
या सर जी, गुजरात में ताकि मोदी और अमित शाह जी को पता चले क्या हो वो सही तरीके से पढ़ रहे हैं या लिख रहे हैं या क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग इस तरह लोकतंत्र को खत्म करने की साजिश, इस तरह की सवरण जब लाते हैं, क्या उनको समझ में नहीं आता? इसीलिए हम ये चाहते कि उनको गुजराती में आप समझाए.
जी बिल्कुल, ये जो बात अभी आज ये बात અત્યારે સામે આવી છે, 17 એપ્રિલના રોજ સુપ્રીમ કોર્ટે 2 અઠવાડિયાનો સમય આપ્યો છે કેન્દ્ર સરકારને અને ઇલેક્શન કમિશન ઓફ ઇન્ડિયાને રજૂ કરવા માટે કે શા માટે ભારતના લોકોને આ બધી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન વોટર્સને આપવી જોઈએ, જેમ કે કોઈ પણ બૂથના ઈવીએમના ફૂટેજ કે એવી બીજી કોઈ પણ માહિતી. તો આ બાબતમાં મારે કહેવું છે કે આપણે બધાએ જોવું જોઈએ કે ખરેખર આ શું છે એને ખૂબ જ ટૂંકમાં કહું તો 1930માં લાહોરમાં કોંગ્રેસની વાર્ષિક સાધારણ સભામાં એક ઠરાવ પસાર કરવાનો હતો પૂર્ણ સ્વરાજનો. એ જે પૂર્ણ સ્વરાજની વાત હતી, આજ સુધી આપણે એ પૂર્ણ સ્વરાજ મેળવ્યું નથી. એટલે એ પૂર્ણ સ્વરાજ એક અધૂરો પ્રવાસ છે 1930 થી. ત્યાર પછી ભલે આપણને એમ લાગતું હોય કે 1947માં આપણે આઝાદ થયા છીએ અને 1950ની અંદર આપણને આ બંધારણ મળ્યું છે, પણ એમ છતાં પણ જે કઈ સ્થિતિ ઉત્પન્ન થઈ છે એ આપણા બધાની સામે છે. હવે એની સામે આ સંગઠન પક્ષ મુક્ત ભારત નામનું સંગઠન એટલે કે પાર્ટીલેસ ઇન્ડિયા ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન એ આગળ વધ્યું છે અને એણે એક ઉપાય વિચાર્યો છે અને એ ઉપાય છે ભારતના લોકો સુધી એ વિચારને પહોંચાડવો કે બંધારણ કે પક્ષ માટેની કોઈ પણ જોગવાઈ નથી અને છતાં પણ આપણે જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ કે છેલ્લા 75 વર્ષો થયા આ રાજકીય પક્ષો જ દેશમાં ચૂંટણીમાં મુખ્ય ભાગ ભજવી રહ્યા છે. એટલું જ નહીં પણ દેશમાં કેન્દ્ર સ્તર પર અને રાજ્યોના સ્તર ઉપર સરકારો પણ બનાવી રહ્યા છે. ત્યારે એક જ સૂત્ર કહેવાની ઈચ્છા થાય છે, ન જોઈએ રાજકીય પક્ષો, ન જોઈએ રાજકીય પક્ષો. We do not want any political parties. At the same time, ન જોઈએ પોતાની જાતે જ ઉભા થતા અપક્ષો. At the same time, we even do not want any self-appointed independent candidates also. This is the solution. We will put the candidates. આ જ સોલ્યુશન છે કે આપણે આપણો ઉમેદવાર એટલે કે જન ઉમેદવાર આપણે ચૂંટણીમાં મૂકીએ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సో ఇది ఈ రోజు సుప్రీంకోర్టు ఏదైతే మళ్ళీ 2 వారాలకు వాయిదా వేసిందో, ఎన్నికల సంఘం సవరణలు కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ద్వారా వచ్చినటువంటి పిటిషన్, ఎన్నికలు ప్రజాస్వామ్యాన్ని పారదర్శకంగా జవాబుదారితనంతో నిర్వహించేటువంటి ఎన్నికలు, ప్రజలకు ఓటర్లకు ఎటువంటి సమాచారం ఇవ్వకూడదు అనే సవరణ తెచ్చిన దాన్ని సుప్రీంకోర్టు 2 వారాలకు దాన్ని ఇది చేయడం ఎంతవరకు కరెక్ట్? అందు గురించి అందరూ ఆలోచన చేయండి. ఇది ప్రజాస్వామ్యమా? రాజ్యాంగం మనం రాజ్యాంగం. వీళ్ళంతా కూడా మన సేవకుడు పారదర్శకంగా జవాబుదారితనంలో ఎన్నికలు పోటీ చేయడానికి మనమే కదా వాళ్ళని నియమించేది పార్టీ తరఫున. కానీ ఈరోజు ఆ ఎన్నికల సమాచారం కూడా ప్రజలకు ఓటర్లకు ఇవ్వకూడదనే ఒక సవరణ కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్ ద్వారా తీసుకురావడం ఎంతవరకు సబబు? అందరూ ఆలోచన చేయండి. దాన్ని సుప్రీంకోర్టు మళ్ళీ 2 వారాలకు వాయిదా వేయడం ఇది సరి అయిన రీతిలో ప్రజాస్వామ్యాన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకుపోతుందా అనే చర్చనే ఈరోజు. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ టుడే. We have again brought out an important issue, why Supreme Court has postponed it for 2 weeks, such an important matter pertaining to the India democracy. And if the democracy has to survive, it is through elections, and it has become a representative and it is a party representative, how can the party in power with the election commission appointed by the same parties in power by the president-elect, it should have been by the people as Partyless India claims, because they are appointed by parties who are in power, they are acting on behalf of the parties and including judiciary. If judiciary also loses independency, who is going to protect and save this great country like India? We always say India is the biggest democracy in the world now, but that democracy is being subjugated to such type of amendments which destroy the free and fair election, the transparency and accountability in elections. When that is the case, can India survive as a republic? And India can be counted on those democracies where elections are held in a free and fair way, wherein people, voters are the supreme. So we say, we the people of India should waken, otherwise we will be weakened. Thank you very much. And I hope you will have a successful tour of South India, Partyless India. God bless you all. Thank you. Anyone can participate on my show. My number is 944046539. Anyone can oppose and can participate. That is what is the beauty of democracy. We discuss, differ,